Welcome to my class of cloud computing. Today we will learn about mapping applications, programming support, Google App Engine. Google App Engine is a platform as a service and cloud computing platform for developing and hosting web applications in Google managed data center. Applications are sandboxed and run across multiple servers. App Engine offers automatic scaling for web applications as the number of requests increases for an application. App Engine automatically allocates more resources for the web application to handle the additional demand. Cloud computing application developed by leveraging platforms and framework. Various types of services are provided from the bare metal infrastructure to customizable applications serving specific purposes. Google App Engine primarily supports Go, PHP, Java, Python, Node.js, .NET and Ruby applications. Although it can also support other languages via custom routines. The service is free up to a certain level of consumer resources and only in standard environment but not in flexible environment. Fees are charged for additional storage, bandwidth or instance hours required by the application. It was first released as preview version in April 2008 and came out of preview in September 2011. Cloud computing platforms and technologies. Different cloud computing platforms are AWS, Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure, Hadoop, Salesforce. Google App Engine supports many Java standards and framework. Also, GAE programming model supported for two languages, Java and Python. A cloud environment includes an Eclipse plugin for Java, allows to debug the Google Application Engine. Google Application Engine refers to the user to run web application on Google's infrastructure. App Engine applications are easy to build, easy to maintain, easy to scale as the user traffic and data storage needs growth. With App Engine, there is no need of server to maintain because we just uploaded or attached the application and it is ready to serve the user. Google App Engine is a scalable runtime environment frequently dedicated to executing web applications. These utilize benefits of large computing infrastructure of Google to dynamically scale as per the demand. App Engine offers both a secure execution environment and a collection of which simplifies the development if scalable and high performance web applications. Google App Engine is a PaaS implementation that provides service for developing and hosting scalable web applications. App Engine is essentially a distributed and scalable runtime environment that leverages Google's distributed infrastructure to scale out applications facing a large number of requests by allocating more computing resources to them and balancing the load among them. The runtime is completed by a collection of services that allow developers to design and implement applications that naturally scale on App Engine. Developers can develop different applications in programming language developed by Google to simplification of the development of web application. Application usage of Google resources and services is metered by App Engine, which bills user when their applications finish their free quotas. App Engine is a platform for developing scalable application accessible through the web. The platform is logically divided into four major components: infrastructure, runtime environment, underlying storage, and the set of scalable services that can be used to develop applications. Infrastructure. App Engine hosts web application and its primary function is to serve user requests efficiently. To do so, App Engine's infrastructure takes advantage of many servers available within Google data centers. For each HTTP request, App Engine locates the server hosting the application, that processes the request, evaluates their load, and if necessary, allocates additional resources, that is servers or redirects the request to an existing server. The particular design of applications which does not expect any state information to be implicitly maintained between requests to the same application simplifies the work of the infrastructure, which can redirect each of the requests to any of the servers hosting the target application or even allocate a new one. The infrastructure is also responsible for monitoring application performance and collecting statistics on which the billing is calculated. The runtime environment represents the execution context of applications hosted on App Engine. With reference to the App Engine infrastructure code, which is always active and running, the runtime comes into existence when the request handler starts executing and terminate once the handler has completed. One of the major responsibilities of the runtime environment is to provide the application environment with an isolated and protected context in which it can execute without causing a threat to the server and without being influenced by other applications. In other words, it provides applications with a sandbox. Currently, App Engine supports applications that are developed only with managed or interrupted languages, which by design requires a runtime for translating their code into executable instructions. Therefore, sandboxing is achieved by means of modified runtime for applications that disable some of the common features normally available with the default implementation. Currently, it is possible to develop App Engine applications using 3 different languages and related technology. First is Java. App Engine currently supports Java 6 and developers can use the common tools for web application development is Java, such as Java Server Pages, JSP, and the applications interact with the environment by using the Java Servlet standard. Furthermore, access to App Engine services is provided by means of Java libraries and expose specific interfaces of provider specific implementation of a given abstraction layer. Python. Support for Python is provided by an optimized Python 2.5.2 interpreter. As with Java, the runtime environment supports the Python standard library, but some of the module that implements potentially harmful operations have been removed, and attempts to import such modules or to call specific methods generate exceptions. To support application development, App Engine offers a rich set of libraries connecting applications to App Engine services. In addition, developers can use a specific Python web application framework called Web App, simplifying the development of web application. Go. The Go runtime environment allows applications developed with the Go programming language to be hosted and executed in App Engine. Currently, the release of Go that is supported by App Engine is R58.1. The SDK includes the compiler and the standard libraries for developing applications in Go and interfacing it with App Engine services as with the Python environment. Some of the functionalities have been removed or generate a runtime application. In addition, developers can include third-party library in their application as long as they are implemented in pure Go. These servers include in-memory caching, scalable data store, job queues, messaging, and cron tasks. Developers and engineers can build and test applications on their own system by using the App Engine SDK, which replicates the production runtime environment and helps test and profile applications. App engines also provide different types of storage which operate differently depending on the volatility of the data. There are 3 different levels of storage: in-memory cache, storage for semi-structured data, and long-term storage data for static data. Web applications are composed of dynamic and static data. Dynamic data are a result of the logic of the application and interaction with the user. Static data often are mostly constituted of the components that define the graphical layout of the application. static data are often since they are related or they define the graphical layout of applications like CSS file, plain HTML file, JavaScript file, images, icon and sound file or data file. These files can be hosted on static file server. Since they are not frequently modified, such servers are optimized for serving static control, and users can specify how dynamic content should be served when uploading their applications to App Engine. Data store is a service that allows developer to store semi-structured data. The service is the service provided is designed to scale and optimize to quickly access data. Data store can be considered as a large object database in which to store objects that can be retrieved by a specific key. Both the type of key and the structure of the object can vary. The underlying infrastructure of data store is based on Bigtable, a redundant, distributed and semi-structured data store that organizes data in the form of Bigtable. Developers define their data in terms of entity and properties, and these are persisted and maintained by service into tables in Bigtable. Data store also provide facilities for creating indexes on data and to update data within the context of transaction. Indexes are used to support and speed up queries. A query can return zero or more object of the same kind, or simply by correlating the key. Even though the queries are quite similar to SQL queries, the implementation is very difficult, or it is substantially different. Data store has been designed to be extremely fast in returning result set. To do so, it needs to know in advance all the possible query that can be done for a given kind, because it stores for each of them a separate index. Indexes are provided by the user while uploading the application to App Engine and can be automatically defined by the development server. When the developer tests the application, the server monitors all the different types of queries made against the stimulated data store and creates an index of them. The structure of the indexes is saved in a configuration file and can be further changed by the developer before uploading the application. The use of pre-augmented device indexes make the query execution time independent from the size of the stored data, but not only influenced by the size of the result set. On completion of development, developers can easily move their applications to App Engine and make it available to the world. Currently, the supported programming languages are Python, Java and Go. App Engine applications are easy to build, easy to maintain, easy to scale as the traffic and data storage needs to grow. This is the diagrammatic representation of Google App Engine. Authentication, mail, data store, caching. They are at same level. In the leaf level, Google App is there, Gmail, MapReduce, and memory cache. Google Apps supports apps written in various programming languages. These runtime environments are built to ensure the applications to run quickly, securely, and without inferring from other systems. GAE platform or Google Application Engine platform is Google platforms as a service offering that allows developers and businesses to build and run applications using Google's advanced infrastructure. These applications are required to be written in one of the few supported language, namely Java, PHP, and Go. It also requires the use of Google Query languages and that the database used is Google Bigtable. Application must be able by these standards, so application either must be developed with GAE in mind or else modified to meet the requirement. GAE is a platform, so it provides all the required elements to run and host web applications, be it on mobile or web. Without this, all in feature developers would have to source their own servers, database software, and apps that would make all of them work properly together, not to mention the entire configuration that must be done. GAE takes the burden from the developers so they can concentrate on the application's front end and functionality driving better user experience. Advantages of Google application interface include readily available servers with no configuration management, power scaling function all the way down to tree when resource usage is a manual. Features of Google App Engine. What are the different features of GAE? Enable shortcuts in Gmail for faster use. It enables to have shortcuts of Gmail so that they can be used in a faster manner. Add event to Google Calendar via SMS. Whiteboard collaborating with Google Drawing. Turn PDFs into editable text. View the calendar event in multiple time zones. Automatic load balancing and scaling designed to meet real-time demand. Ability to schedule tasks based on triggering event, regular intervals or specified time. Storage with storing queries and transactions. Total integration with other APIs and existing Google Cloud Service. So what are the reasons to use Google App Engine? They are cost effective. The price or lack thereof is the biggest selling point. These are the reasons for using Google App Engine. Google App Engine provides more infrastructure than other suitable hosting services such as Amazon Elastic Cloud. The application engine also eliminates some system administration and development tasks to make it easier to write scalable applications. App Engine takes care of provisioning with the help of use. App Engine takes care of provisioning of servers. Before looking into the restrictions, let us study some more reasons for using Google App Engine. One of the major feature is that it is cost effective. The free tier is incredibly generous and small applications don't need anything more. However, if you don't find that you need more feature, even the paid apps are cost friendly. We only pay for the resources we use and they are relatively cheap. Best of all is that the users only get charged for the application when they handle request. Talk about maximizing carpet or capital. No servers to maintain. With App Engine, we don't have any reason or need to maintain a server. The user simply load the application and they are ready to go. Google takes care of all other things. This free up the resources so they can be better utilized in other areas of the browser. One of the advantages that often flies under the radar is that App Engine is connected to Google's many other products and services. App Engine, BigQuery, Complete Engine, and Clouder and Cloud Storage all work together for a bigger purpose. Ultimately, it comes down to ease, simplicity, and cost effectiveness of engineering and cost effectiveness of different techniques. It eliminates the need to worry about cost, servers, and scaling. App Engine allows to evolve or many App Engine allows to evolve as the need grow. For small businesses and IT professional, this is a welcome news. Google application is one of the user-friendly, cost-effective applications. Some application surveys based on Google applications are: the sandbox environment does not allow applications to obtain arbitrary connection through socket, but URL fetch provides developer with the capability of retrieving a remote resource through HTTP or HTTPS by means of URL fetch. Memcache. App Engine provides caching services by means of Memcache. This is a distributed memory object. This is a distributed memory object. And also the use of Memcache can significantly reduce the access time to data. Developers can structure their application so that each object is first looked up into Memcache, and if there is a miss, it will be restricted from data storage, put into the sandbox for processing. Mail and instant message. App Engine provides another way to communicate with the external protocol, external messaging and presence protocol, XMPP. Account management. Web applications often loop or often keep various data that customize their interaction with the users. These data normally go under the specific profile and are attached to an account. App Engine simplifies account management by allowing different types of developers to leverage. The integration with the service also allows the integration of service account, also Google account management by means of Google account. Integration of service also allows web application to offload the implementation of authentication capabilities to Google's authentication system. However, there are certain restrictions on Google application environment also. Developers have read-only access in the full app system. Application can use only the application can use only virtual filmbox and like gas filestone. App Engine can only execute code called from an HTTP request, scheduled background task, which help in displaying the content. Developers have read-only access to the file system on App Engine. Applications can use only virtual file system like gas file tolerance. App Engine can only execute code called from an HTTP request. Scheduled background task allows for self-calling HTTP requirement. Users may upload arbitrary Python module, but only if they are pure Python. C, Pyrex modules are not supported. Java application may only use a subset, the JRE class whitelist of the classes from the JRE standard edition, Junior Instance Education. This restriction does not exist with the application engine substandard Java 8 routine. A process started on the server to answer to a receiver using a last more than 60 seconds does not support sticky sessions, that is session affinity. Only replicated messages are supported, including in limitation of the amount of data being serialized and time for session serialization. Thank you.